Wichita, Kansas this morning, headed to Springfield. Might hit a little rain and a lot of wind, but we're doing it for the kids.
Now, therefore, we, the mayor and the city of Tulsa, as well as the Tulsa City Council, declared today Kyle Petty Charity Ride Day.
Yes!
And this is family, and what we do for the children at the camp, and back in the day we used to go into the hospitals, and that was huge.
Thank you for making our lives special, man. We love you. Thank you.
Gift card here for you for a lot of gear. Hope to use it for kids. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gift card $100,000 of gear. The first person that came and said they wanted to be a part of it is Johnny Morris. We have a section at camp called the Bass Pro Shop Catch, Kiss, and Release Program. We have the only lake in America that has had more fish kissed than any other lake.